So, heading to look for a LaBuBu doll for Reagan. Wish me luck. Alright, so day number 2 of trying to find a LaBuBu. Wish me luck. I'll let you know how it goes. Okay, so found a LaBuBu. It is right here. Let's take it home and see how Reagan feels about it.
We have some videos we get to.
You are the best.
What?
Thank
I didn't even get anything.
Yeah, you did.
Alright, come on.
I'm never letting go. Ow! Push me. That hurt.
I don't want you to see which one.
Oh, because it's on the side.
Oh, good. Olivia's sleeping.
She goes back to prison in Seattle. We're gonna put her for maximum security.
A box in a bag or a bag in a box?
Okay, is this what they're supposed to be like?
It's so cute.
Oh my god, it's your favorite color.
I love it. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Let's
Thank
see
you.
the hype with this. What is this?
So cute.
Is that what they are? This is-
Yeah, they're so cute.
Oh, that thing's scary.
It's cute.
They come with other clothes? That's cool.
It does?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my gosh, how funny.
Skirt, I think. Yeah.
Interesting.
And a top. Hmm?
These are interesting looking.
Very, very interesting.
So cute. I love it.